NBA 2K26 represents the latest iteration in the popular basketball gaming franchise, featuring enhanced graphics and gameplay mechanics. However, like its predecessors, the game relies heavily on constant online connectivity to deliver its core gaming experience. The constant online connectivity requirement means that server-side issues can significantly impact the gaming experience. Two primary categories of problems emerge: failed to fetch inventory errors and login authentication issues. The failed to fetch inventory error specifically indicates a communication breakdown between the game client and the server's inventory database. This prevents the retrieval of virtual items, currency, and player progression data stored on remote servers. Login authentication issues represent a more fundamental problem, preventing players from accessing the game entirely. These errors occur when the authentication servers cannot verify player credentials or establish secure connections. These server-related issues typically manifest during specific high-traffic periods. Peak gaming hours, major game launches, and content updates create increased server load, leading to system instability and connection failures. The root causes of these connectivity issues stem from three primary technical factors: server overload conditions, database synchronization delays, and network routing problems. These issues affect players across all gaming platforms, including PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, and PC systems. When experiencing failed to fetch inventory or login issues in NBA 2K26, the first step is to address basic network connectivity problems. Network instability is often the root cause of these server connection failures. Additionally, using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi provides more stable connectivity. Wireless connections can introduce latency and packet loss that interfere with NBA 2K's server communication protocols. Each gaming platform requires specific troubleshooting approaches. PlayStation 5, Xbox, and PC platforms have unique cache systems and file verification methods that can resolve inventory and login problems. For Xbox consoles, clearing persistent storage resolves many connectivity issues. This process removes temporary files that may be corrupted and interfering with server communication. PC users should verify game file integrity through Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Corrupted game files can prevent proper server authentication and inventory synchronization. Advanced network configuration can significantly improve connection stability. Changing DNS servers to Google's public DNS and configuring port forwarding are effective solutions for persistent connectivity issues. Port forwarding ensures that NBA 2K's network traffic can communicate freely with game servers. The required ports are TCP 80 and 443 for web traffic, and UDP 88 and 37.4 for Xbox Live and game data. Prevention is more effective than troubleshooting after problems occur. Understanding peak usage patterns and maintaining optimal system conditions can prevent most connectivity issues from arising. Maintaining optimal system requirements ensures consistent performance. A stable broadband connection of at least 25 megabits per second download speed is recommended for seamless online gameplay and inventory synchronization. Staying informed about server status and known issues helps players respond quickly to problems. Official support channels and community resources provide real-time updates and proven workarounds for connectivity issues. By implementing these troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies, players can significantly reduce the frequency and impact of failed-to-fetch inventory and login issues in NBA 2K26. Regular maintenance and proactive monitoring ensure optimal gaming performance.